At the mango tree, Port Douglas. And yes, there are mango trees. There's also a tennis court, a swimming pool, and lovely established tropical gardens. Unit 3, which is listed for sale with Cote property, Port Douglas, is a single-storey ground floor apartment, 2 bedrooms, and being sold partly furnished. Lots of flexibility. You can own or occupy, have tenants on a lease, or holiday let the property. Spacious lounge area opening to the very practical kitchen and dining nook. The split-system air conditioning unit in the lounge area is new. Also new is the stove, the overhead extractor fan. There are blinds new throughout the unit as well. The main bedroom has built-in robes with shuttered doors. The shutters add a real tropical feel to the apartment and are consistent throughout. Tiled floors throughout the unit also add a cool touch. The second bedroom similarly has shuttered door, built-in robes, and a view towards the rear tropical garden setting. The bathroom has a bathtub with overhead shower and new fittings throughout. There's also practical laundry facilities. Sit at the rear of the unit and enjoy the tropical gardens. Unit 3 at the Mango Tree, listed exclusively for sale with Cote property, Port Douglas.